Guys, welcome to another episode of SideHustleGarage. In today's episode, we are going to be reviewing a Honda Dock. We are joined here with Ashton and Dane today. Ashton, you're from P, Cape Town?
Yeah,
You are from P and Dane is from Cape Town. Retreat now, so the Kaapse man is all obviously recognized from the scene. So in today's video now, we just want to have a quick walk around, quick background. You guys, I believe you guys have a workshop up in PE, in the Vocal, I believe, no? How did the two of you guys meet actually?
we met 13 years back. We came from Cape Town.
Is it?
And from then we were best friends till now.
Nuts. Yeah, core community things, everybody together, man, bro. Now, guys. So, yeah, how did the workshop start, bro? Where did the passion start for all these cars?
We were in school and we both from a very young age, riding cars, like very young,
No.
grade 6, grade 5, spinning cars and stuff. And
Oh, yeah.
we met and we like, hey, we're the same type of people. We
Oh,
both
yeah,
motors
yeah.
and whatever. And since that day we became best friends. Every weekend together, every single day actually together.
Yeah. But who
Yeah.
got you started into it? Like, obviously, like I have a brother that trained me. I was like, who's that chicken? What is he doing? My father himself, nah, he wasn't mason. Since misschien om het eerveld and so on. But for me personally, just a background me, I bought a bakkie and I was basically stuck. And I had to YouTube like afterwards, you meet people for the same way you two guys met, and that's how I met, and that's how I grew closer with the Dutchman community, and then it just blasted up from there. So yeah, like with the stuff that you guys are doing now, we need to learn to do all of this, bro.
Look, from his point of view, he came, I think he also grew up the way I grew up. But his grandfather was now the one who was playing around with cars, and his uncle, and they had workshops and building Ferraris and building chassis.
Ferraris, bro.
We-
Strico.
Yeah, and we have 3 chassis in the workshop
Ferrari chassis.
to build.
Guys, follow up now after this. Today's video is exclusive on the build, the dock, but afterwards, after this, we're gonna do perhaps a live video on Facebook, perhaps another YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below if you guys would like to see that. As you guys heard, ik word ook maar over de eerste maal als een moorse prijs. Ferrari. Which produce Ferrari shape?
This is the A40 now.
My,
A40 shape.
as the replica or as original like the rips? Okay. I was actually introducing to this topic. He's built down the road. You guys probably seen him on the live feeds. The AK, he's busy with the GT fucking builds. He worked, and you guys know the IK Automotive
Yeah.
up in Green Bushes. Yeah, some affiliation there with him. But yeah, so that's about it. No? Ik wil zelf wel zien die car, hij ziet mijn ding. Ik was dus some background info on the guys. I'll leave the details down below. They also have a YouTube channel. We leave a link just here now. You guys will see the link. Please leave a like and subscribe. Like we like to give back. I mean, these guys they wanna, as like he said, you know, that's the way we express ourselves is through our cars, and that's how the car community grow. Whether it's now stands, drag, spinning in that thing, also is how the car is, man, bro. So please do leave a like and subscribe on the channel as well, and leave a comment down below if you guys want to see what's happening in the workshop. So let's get onto the rolling shots. Shotguns.
Look, what happened was he had a Ballard. It was B16. That is the motor that is in here now. He rolled that, that Ballard, unfortunately.
Due to unforeseen circumstances.
Yeah, and from there, this I would say is a backyard build because we never had a workshop yet when we built this.
Keyword on backyard build, that's what we're all about, bro.
And
Budget builds.
Really it was. We picked this motor up and we put it in place. We made the mountings ourselves from scratch, everything.
Yeah.
And from there it started on 124 kilowatt. Stopped.
No.
And then we played around a bit. We got block scans, boiiz branch, and then we pushed it up to 136. Yeah. and then we played around again. Okay, we can't tell
Enough
our,
is never enough, no?
yeah, we can't tell our secret now, but
Oh, yeah,
we have
yeah.
the one blocks cam in, and we have another cam that's in here, but it's a mixture, and we
On that, guys, on that.
And you can't tell us exactly what cam this is now.
it's a bit of a secret, man.
Okay,
And
okay.
it pushed our kilowatt up to 146 on a B16 stock block.
And obviously you guys do this for love. This is your work. So if there's anybody, shout out anybody that wanna do any mods to the car. You specialize in Honda?
We specialize in anything but
Anything, my bro.
Anything.
Anything. But this obviously is your passion
Honda
because you're
is our-
driving Honda, my
yeah.
bro. So if you guys need to spruce up, you want looking for some extra kilowatts, some extra torque, nah, do it. They name actually up here, nah. Then logo.
and
How did it fit, bro? Like the mounts and shit. Did you- So you fabricated all this, the custom mounts and everything yourself?
everything ourselves. Yes.
You didn't have to cut away anything from the engine bay itself?
No.
I didn't want to cut from the original mount, so I just made my own mount.
Nee, kijk daar. Look at the exhaust. Does it like clear the
Clears.
undercasing of the car
Yeah.
itself?
100%.
And you said it's Noisy Boys, no?
Noise boys belong from
No, Noise Boys.
Tuner, was it tuner?
Nazim.
Oh, Zimo, Zimo, me bro.
The one and only.
The one and only cars. Look at what your model is this. Whose body was this originally?
Sazi, I don't even remember Sazi. That also raced for Bionic.
Yeah.
He had the B20 in here.
Suspension? Stock suspension. You know one thing I like about these cars, laat sit vanself lekker laag mee bro. Look, I don't know if you guys got that, no they probably didn't. But this car was not like this about an hour ago. And they quick assembled the car so they can actually come here to Side Hustle Garage headquarters. That's it, buddy. I like these wheels of the road. These are those lightweight wheels, right? Alright, class inside. Stripped out, my bro. Stripped out, Kazi.
The race car, man.
Nah, I like this. I like this.
We
Completely stripped out.
when we are planning on building a B20 setup.
Is it?
So
But thus far the bodies are keeping up, like rigidity wise and so on.
yeah, it's keeping up.
Stock suspension. Fuel wise, where is it?
Still original.
Still original tank. And fuel wise, what you running on, cuz?
Stand. We go to the garage. pump fuel.
Standard pump fuel, man, bro. Oh, that kilos, nah, that's amazing, bro. That's amazing. Look at that's about. Oh, you got that.
Yeah, and Spits, Mercury 2,
Yeah.
management, launch control, like you guys heard in the video.
Yeah, no.
And you guys hook up everything, the wiring, everything, auto
Everything.
side, everything guys do yourself. Everything in-house.
Yep.
Why? Oh, yeah?
Right, Owen, so that is all what we have for today. Please give a like, subscribe, and also please do share the link. So yeah, thanks to A1D1. Awesome build, guys. One up.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the safe salute.
Salutas.